Om Sai Ram. I have told you people time and again that every word we speak is getting registered by the cosmos. Every single word that you speak is being heard. So, when you chant mantras, and they bless us so much with every chanting of a mantra or of Baba's name, because when I chant that mantra, the vibrations that I send out into the cosmos with the chanting, they just merge into the cosmos and come back to me manyfold as blessings. Similarly, every word that you speak is vibration. It is not getting written on a paper as you speak, it is getting written in the cosmos as you speak. But basically, the message for all of you is change what you speak. Because if you're going to speak like that, how much ever you may try, the patterns are not going to change from your head. They're going to keep repeating and getting stronger and more negative. I've told you so many times, the mind is intangible, the mind is energy, and the cosmos is energy. It's a part of the cosmic energy, your mind. So whatever is inside your mind is actually inside the huge cosmos, and it is going to manifest because it has been said with so much of conviction and belief over and over again. So people come and tell me that, it's a pattern, I keep falling ill, or my child keeps falling ill. It's a pattern. It happens every season change. Then somebody comes and tells me, in jobs, this failure comes to me like this all the time. This is not the first time. This happens to me over and over again. Somebody comes and says, this is the way I get cheated in relationships again and again. People break my trust again and again. So what is happening here is, the cosmos is not doing it independently or wanting to trouble you. The problem is because you're thinking, it's a pattern. It happens with me, it will happen again. So what you have done is, you have picked up something from the past, given it all your energy and strength, and made it real in the present. And then it continues to manifest in your future as well. And then you say, oh, why is this karmic pattern repeating? Actually, you don't even know it's a karmic pattern or an impression that you yourself have created. So please change these thoughts. Otherwise, like that record player which has those grooves in it, like that your memory also has grooves. You have created those grooves and impressions. So every time you play the song plays in the same grooves. So the same song is playing over and over again. That is what is creating the pattern. Now I need to clear away that groove and create new grooves with my energy. Create new positive grooves in which a happier song can play. So stop playing that negative song and bring up a nice, happy, positive song. And trust me, it is very doable. Very doable. Start being aware of your thoughts. But there's a word that I have given. And the word is called watch. WATCH. So the word W stands for willingness. First of all, there has to be a willingness to change inside you. Do you actually want to make your life better? Do you actually want to change your circumstances and that of your family and people around you? Okay, if the answer is yes, so we've achieved step 1, which is willingness. Now awareness. A for awareness. Now start becoming aware of your thoughts. Every time you're creating a negative thought pattern, be aware that this is happening. The moment awareness is there, at least I know the wrong is happening. Till today, I didn't even know I was creating a negative thought. The next one is T, the trigger in watch. W, willingness. A, awareness. T is your trigger. The trigger is choice. That's the next one. CH, choice. The trigger is that now that you're willing to change, now that you're aware of your thoughts, now you make that choice. Now you choose the positive over the negative. Willingly and with awareness, choose the positive over the negative. So next time you're creating a negative thought pattern, watch. Next time you're losing your temper, watch. Next time you're saying a hurtful thing to somebody, watch. Next time you're creating a pattern by repeating something wrong and negative, watch. Parents keep saying the whole day, my child does not eat food, my child does not eat food. And even when they're serving the food to the child, the mother is cooking the food, bringing the food, through it she says, oh God, I know he's not going to eat. Suppose it is milk, I know he or she is not going to drink milk. You have already created that vibration in the food, in the cosmos, and then you're going and giving it to your baby. And when the baby says, I'm not going to have milk, you say, see, I knew it. But actually, it is the vibration that you have created and given. So unless you change that vibration, and I'm talking just about a small thing as giving food to your child, in your workplace, this project, my God, how will I do it? Will it ever happen? What if I fail? What if I don't do it properly? What if my boss is not happy? There are so many what ifs, negative patterns non-stop being created in relationships, in work, everywhere. Please change that pattern now and start watching. Remember the word watch. So next time you say something which you know is not correct, which may create a negative pattern, watch it and change it. So on that note, here's me wishing you lots of love. Remember the word watch. Let's change our vibration first so that we can change the vibrations of Baba's entire cosmos and benefit it. So I love you. Baba bless you. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram.